How to edit comments on Instagram. Instagram now allows you to edit comments after posting, so you don't have to delete an entire comment just to fix a typo. Keep in mind that you may only have a limited amount of time to edit your comment after posting. If the edit option is no longer available, you'll need to delete the comment and post a new one. Here's how to edit your Instagram comment. First, open Instagram and find the post where you left the comment. Now, scroll down and find your comment. Under your comment, tap the Edit option next to the Reply button. Make the changes you want, such as correcting a spelling mistake or fixing a typo. Once you're finished, save your changes. Your updated comment will now appear on the post, and Instagram may display an edited label to show that the comment was changed. That's how you can edit a comment on Instagram without deleting it and posting a new one. If you found this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.